and gentlemen. You may wonder why five of us are here. We are Panchakanyas, and five women have come to the platform because this whole program is being organized by an organization called Women of Mangalore. Now if I just say greetings from Women of Mangalore, you may think that I am referring to ourselves as Women of Mangalore. No, when I say Women of Mangalore, it's an organization that is called Women of Mangalore. Yesterday we had the solo competition. Today we have the group competition under the title Talent Parva of Mangaluru Habba. Mangaluru Habba was envisioned to be a very huge program, but then we had to cut down on the grandeur of the program, but we wanted to continue with the Talent Parva because I had already conducted the preliminary selection round, so I could not say to my contestants that we wouldn't be having the contest. And gladly for us, City Center and Moti Sham came forward to help us out with this particular contest, and that's how we are here to conduct Talent Parva. Now when we say it is a contest, no contest can be without the judges. So I request our judges Savitri and Gauri to join us on the stage. Even before I continue, we await the arrival of Mohan Raj, our third judge. Hopefully he will join us before we can start the contest. Please come, please come. Before we start the contest, I hope Mr. Mohan Raj, our third judge, will be there. I will be introducing the judges elaborately because you should know who they are. But before that, let me say that this whole program is dedicated to Sabrina Brito, who envisaged this particular program, and she is the one who started this community called Women of Mangalore, and Nayana Fernandez. Neither of them is here with us, and we also had on our core committee Primrose D'Souza. So before I introduce the people who are here with us, let me very gratefully and lovingly remember Sabrina, Nayana and Primrose. Now, when I say gratefully, I must have a word stronger than grateful when it comes to Divya. But in my lexicon, I do not have a word which is huger than grateful, Divya. That is why I say to you, Dhanyavadagalu in Kannada, Kritagnategalu, because without Divya, this program wouldn't have seen the light of the day. She has taken the whole charge on herself. I'm supposedly the event coordinator, but it was Divya who put in all the work. Yes, please come. Kalpana and Obeda. The stage beckons you. Please come. Kavita. Obeda and Kavita are also on our organizing committee. Please join us. I am not going to give an introduction of these. I am only going to announce the names of these. So we have Obeda. But about Obeda, one extra line, because Obeda has sponsored mementos and gifts from Yenapoya. Obeda, we remain grateful to you for the lovely mementos that you have. Mustn't do all that? No, please feel embarrassed, doesn't matter. But I would like to thank you whether you feel embarrassed or not. So thank you Obeda, thank you Divya and Kalpana and, yes, I thought you were correcting me. Okay. Kalpana and Kavita took all the trouble yesterday and today to have some interesting items for the spectators and for the audience, and they were the ones instrumental in selecting things and bringing things here. Thank you for that. And Vidya has sponsored quite a few prizes, spot prizes, and this is Sasha. Now if I say Divya's daughter, that's not enough, because Sasha has been doing all the work at the registration desk, and she's a content writer, but today and yesterday she did the work of writing down the names of the contestants and the certificates, everything she has been ascribed. So thank you Sasha. Now after the introduction, I think you can put your hands together for the organizing committee of Obeda, Divya, Kavita, Kalpana, Vidya, and Sasha. And I am Malini Hebbal. Most of you would know that because I was in touch with you. I was the only one who was in touch with you. So you would know me, but you wouldn't know others. That is why I thought of introducing the others to you. We don't have Veena here with us. Veena is also, she has gone to Bangalore. Yesterday she was here. All of us comprise the organizing committee. Now to the judges. This beautiful lady standing next to me is Gauri, and Gauri says that she has remained dedicated to Ocean Kids for more than 2 decades. And I must tell you, Gauri, now there are of course many dance classes and all that, but Ocean Kids will always be remembered as the pioneer in the whole of Mangalore city in training.
It started in 89 by my sir Vinod Singh Bera and his friends. And yes, I was a team member a few years ago, and then once we get married, commitments. So I only take up wedding and family get-together events right now.
Thank you that you have continued with your passion, and it is not just informal teaching because Gauri has a degree in dance and music. And what is nice about Gauri is that her focus is on children from 2.5 years to 6 years, and I must say that you would be having a lot of patience, Gauri, if you have to train children from 2.5 to 6 years. And she's also a theatre artist. Now Talent Parva is, as I said, a mixed hamper of diverse talents. Today most of the performers are performing dances, but our vision was to keep the stage open for different types of talents, diverse talents. That is why we looked for a judge who would be in different fields, and she's a theatre artist and she has performed in Kannada and Konkani dramas. Gauri, we are very privileged to have you. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our judge Gauri. Now, Savitri Rao, that is very nice of you, Gauri, to make room for Savitri Rao to come to the center. Savitri Rao was with us yesterday. Savitri Rao is today with us again this evening, and I remain doubly grateful to Savitri, who is also a close friend of mine. But that is not the reason for inviting her to be with us. Yesterday when I introduced her to one of the judges, he immediately said, "Oh, Savitri ma'am, I am your fan," he said. And if you wonder why he is her fan, I must tell you that he is not the only fan. There are more than 50,000 followers for Savitri Rao on Insta, and she is famous as Mangalore Mom. And what does she do? Why does she have such a huge following? That's because she uploads videos of traditional dishes. Ottu shavige, patrode, all those dishes which many of us may not even think of preparing now. She shows that those items should be prepared because when it comes to taste, nothing to beat the taste of traditional items. And she has got 6 million people all over the world who have been inspired by her. Her focus is on nutrition and health. So nutritious food, healthy food is her focus. And of course, she says self-love is important and we must eat what will make us healthy. Thank you, Savitri. And as I said, double thanks for being with us again. Warm welcome to you. Our third judge, Mohan Raj, has noted. Oh yes, what a timely appearance, Mohan Raj. Ladies and gentlemen, Mohan Raj, straight to the stage. You will have 4 women on your right. Oh, 5. You guys there? Okay. So you will have 5. You are with Navaratnas, okay? We are Navaratnas. So we have Mohan Raj. Now Mohan Raj's introduction you would find very interesting because he is a lecturer in biology. But look at his degrees. Biology, of course, makes him have MSc, B.Ed. But in addition to that, he has MA in Hindi and PGD, Post Graduation Diploma in Bharatanatyam. And he started when he was a tiny tot, when he was just 6 years. He started with Bharatanatyam, and to this day he remembers his role as Krishna because he had 25 senior girls who danced with him. But interestingly, in the initial stage, he did not have formal training in Bharatanatyam. He used to observe Yakshagana artists and learn Bharatanatyam through Yakshagana. That is why after he grew up, he became an adult, it was Vidushi, Dr. Arati Shetty, who refined him in his Bharatanatyam. Of course, he has his own dance troupe which is called Kalakrishi Bolar, and he again is a multifaceted personality. He has acted in more than 80 Tulu social dramas, and he has been under the guidance of Tulunada Siri Kedikeya Kadike. Okay, Kadike and Ardu Grass. Garike. Okay. He has been under the guidance of Tulunada Siri Kadike Kadri Vittal Shetty, and he has been invited to Dubai also. He was invited to Dubai and he was honored by. Going to decide as a panel. It's going to be your discretion. We are not going to count the total at all, but as a panel of judges, you are going to tell us who deserve to win the prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, we have fabulous prizes. We have 20,000 as the first prize, 15,000 as the second prize, and 10,000 as the third prize. Doesn't it deserve a round of applause? And we have not taken any money as registration fee or anything like that. And I remain indebted to Sabrina for making all the arrangements. Let me also thank Village Restaurant that has given us gift coupons as the prize. We remain indebted to Village Restaurant as well. Anyone else to be acknowledged? Contestant who sat there, this is for the information of judges, and she came and reported after you all had gone to give your judgment. So we could not do anything about it. So I repeat myself, if there are contestants who have not registered, please register, and after your performance, please go straight and turn to the left. There is a room and you can have your refreshment after your performance. Is there any question from the contestants? Judges, please note, in case you don't get the time to write the names of the groups, it is all right. If you get the time, write the names. Otherwise, we have the master copy with us. And we don't have many teams, although we had chosen 19 teams, which came down to 16 teams. But as of now, we have 7 teams, and 2 teams are on the way because one team is coming from Mudupidre and one team is coming from Udupi. So they will be joining us a little while later. Right now I will give you the order. On number 1 we have Shweta Kamath and group, Dr. Shweta Kamath and group. As I said yesterday, after the performance, though I feel tempted to say many words of appreciation, I will not be doing it because it might amount to being partial to some groups. So I'm not going to respond after the performance, but to thank them. But I pity the judges because I know that this is one of the toughest contests to judge because it is open variety and no bar on age. You will have people of all age groups performing and you will have different performances as well. It needn't necessarily be only dance. So it's going to be a tough contest for the judges when it comes to selecting the winners. All the best to the three of you. We are safe as organizers because we won't be criticized, but you are not safe as judges. But I must tell you that yesterday all the performers were very, very sporting in their spirit and they took it all very well. Are you willing to perform? Yes, what's your name? Please come here. Come here and see that your music is ready. Please come. Which is the group? Okay, judges please note, team number 15, Pratima and group are prepared to perform now. Pratima and group, is your music ready? Yes. Pratima will get the music set. And dancers, will you please go and take your position?
లింగమై కనికరించరా ఇది లిఖితమునిక పరపర జరిగి కృతమి కురిపించరా రామేశలింగమై మహిమ చూపరా శుభముల గని అభయముని నిమితము సలతము అందించరా పాపరాత్మల హస్తిలింగేశ్వర నీవై అమలింగనం మీరా జగలో కొలువై అనంతలింగమై నిలబడరా శివై కనివై సర్వజీవలోకేశ్వర రక్షించరా శివ శివ హర హర జయ జయ దిగిరారా శంకర కమల శుభంకర ప్రణయ భయంకర దిగిరారా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా శివ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రణయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
Thank you, Pratima and group, for agreeing to perform. Although you were one of the last teams, you took to stage. Thank you. Judges, please note that was group number 15, Pratima and group.